Kiro IDE review. Is Amazon's AI IDE legit? So Amazon's new AI deployment environment, Kiro, is making waves as a highly structured agentic IDE designed for real software engineering, not just rapid code snippets. So what makes Kiro stand out is it speaks developer language with spec-driven workflows. From a single prompt, Kiro automatically breaks down your idea into structured specs. It offers agent-powered automations, which employs autonomous AI agents. It also has a built-on familiar tool, which is as a code OSS-based IDE. It supports VS Code and plugins and even Git integrations. It also has a multimodal input and steering rules, and it has positive real-world feedback. However, there are some limitations to consider. It is still some early preview bugs, and the workflow has some frictions. The performance also has some constraints, and there are some access for limits. They also may feel slow for agile environments, and the prompt quality still matters. So in conclusion, is it legit in 2025? Well, yes, it's far more than a novelty AI tool. Its spec-driven workflows, agent-based automation, and deep engineering focus bridges the gap between rapid coding and real software craftsmanship.